Students in Sunamganj are lagging behind as the teachers of many primary schools are irregular. However, the authorities said that due to communication problems during the monsoon season, the crisis has been emerged. They also said efforts are being made to resolve this crisis. Sunamganj is a district of Howrah. While road connectivity is good during the dry season, the picture is different during the monsoons. Boats are the main means of transportation for 6 months. During this period, teachers and students face immense suffering while commute to school. As a result, teachers are often irregular in school. In such a situation, the district education office is saying about taking departmental action against irregular teachers. There are 6,316 teachers working in government primary schools in Sunamganj district.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।